Look, Allah has written his name in Arabic there as well. Right here, right there. Look, let me zoom. If you look just straight in front of my finger, in the same straight position of that tree. Look, right when that there. It is written in Arabic Lillah, and here is the zoom view. I cannot clearly see in my mobile because the light is very much visible, but I hope in the zoom it will be looking clearly. Okay, now from this point to zoom, zoom. I hope you can see. Okay, it is dissolved a bit. So that was today is what is the date today? It's Friday 20 May 2022.